Hello my dear ones, welcome back to e-learning class. Today I am here with your subject English. In English today we will do reading, means today we will learn the sounds of alphabets. Okay, so what we will learn today? Yes, in reading today we will learn the sounds. Before that, what we have to do? Yes, we will say A to Z. Okay, let's start. I have seen so many children are still singing the rhyme only. No, you have to say A to Z alphabets, not rhyme. A, B, C, D, this is rhyme. So many times I have told you that is rhyme and you have to say, not sing. Okay, so be careful how to say A to Z alphabets. Okay, so let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, these are the alphabets. You can see two alphabets are given. One is with red color and another is with green color. Red ones are capital letters and green ones are small letters. So you can say capital A, small a. What you can say? Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Like this way you have to remember all the alphabets. Okay. Now let's start our today's session. Now children, do you know which sounds we are going to learn today? Yes, today we will learn the sounds of letter Y and Z. Okay. So what we are going to learn today? Sounds of letter Y and Z. But before that, what we will do? Yes, we will revise the alphabets and their sounds that we have previously learned. Okay. So let's start. We have learned letter Q with the sound. Okay. Q for queen, Q for quill, Q for Q and Q for quilt. Okay. So we have learned the letter Q and we have seen the pictures related to letter Q. Now let's see capital Q, small q, capital Q, small q. What is the sound of Q? Q says qua. Q says qua. Now next one is W. Very good. W for warm. W for watermelon. W for wool. And W for watch. W for warm. W for watermelon. W for wool. And W for watch. Now let's see. Capital W, small w. Capital W, small w. What is the sound of W? W says wa. W says wa. After W, which letter is this? X. Very good. X for xylophone. X for Xmas tree. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. X for Christmas tree. And X for X-ray. Now let's see. Capital X, small x. Capital X, small x. X says xa. X says xa. Okay, now after X, yes, X, it comes letter Y. So we will see the pictures. Y for yak. Very good. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Y for yacht. Now let's see capital Y, small y. Capital Y, small y. Now let's see the sound. Y says ya. Y says ya. Now next one is Z. After Y, the letter comes Z. Z for zebra. Z for zip. Z for zoo. Z for zero. Now let's see. This is capital Z, small z. Z says Z. Z says Z. So children, today we have finished all the alphabets, okay, from A to Z. Means today we have learned the sounds of Y and Z, but in previous session we have learned the other alphabets. So today we have finished the alphabet from A to Z with their sounds and pictures. So revise them nicely, learn them nicely, okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.